my channel. If you are new, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I'm Angie with Blessed Creations. I said queen of all trades, not Jack. A queen of all trades. I do a little of this, I do a little of that. I do, whatever on my channel. You never know with me. The last time I've been MIA for quite a minute, for a little bit. I think the last video I did was my anniversary video. I think that's the last time I posted. When we went to Vegas, and that was it. And that was in May. It's July now. Y'all, my birthday is coming up. Not to get all over the place, but my birthday is coming up. But anyways, I'm not here for that. I'm here to tell y'all, welcome to my channel. Thank y'all for all my new subscribers. I truly appreciate y'all. And my old subscribers that have been back and still here with me, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you haven't done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I truly appreciate that. Here on my channel, you might see a little of this, a little of that, from basket making, from thrifting, from out here curbsiding. I call it treasure hunting. I like decorating my home on things that I find. I like to redo things. I mean, I'm just a queen of all trades. That's what I said. I'm a queen of all trades, and I just love doing a lot of things. So I got on here today to show y'all that what did I come back here to show? Oh, I'm in the midst of decorating my niece's house. She just got her new house, and my daughter too, but she's way in Georgia. I wish I could be there. I gotta get out there to help her decorate her house too. But right now I'm just focusing here. So I'm in the midst of helping my niece make over her house. And I will be sharing some of those clips. I'm also in the midst of repurposing a lot of my old stuff and just changing up things. I like to switch out a little, just a tad bit. I think I'm gonna stick with these colors that I got in my living room for quite some time. I love the color scheme here, but I am adding new pieces that I find and redo over. I love making over furniture. I love finding old pieces, redoing them, bringing them back to life. Whatever. I love it all, y'all. Like I said, queen of all trades. So anyways, I'm going to move on. I just came to say thank y'all. Thank y'all for sticking with your girl. Let you know I'm still good. I'm still here. I'm still watching my basket makers out there that makes baskets. I do need to get back and sit down and watch some more of those, because my niece been having me busy, y'all. I've been like helping her in the stores, finding her decor, but it's so fun. I like to see a space come to life, and come to life in a way that you want it, not what nobody else want, not what people think you should have in your space. I do not care for none of that. Whatever you choose to want in your space, please, by all means, have what brings you joy. We only on this earth until it's over, you know what I'm saying? So enjoy it while you're here. Don't worry about it. You shouldn't even have that. Oh, that's outdated. Oh, why did you pick that color? If you enjoy those colors, it's what I always stick to. And I might be going off subject, but whatever you want in your space, that's what you put in your space, because that's your home, your space. That's where you live, but that's where you live at, and you make it your own. There's no right way, I would say. Well, it could be, but do what's best for you. Do what's best for you at all times, by all means necessary. And it's okay to take some little tips if you want to from other people, but don't let that consume your entire space. I would never say, take that out. That is, why would I do that? If this is something you like, let's make it work. Let's put it in a space and let's make it work. Why am I even preaching to y'all right now on this type of stuff? But I do not like to be where what you should not have in your house. That's outdated. Man, get on with that stuff, y'all. Enjoy who you are. Anyways, I'm gonna tell you what I'm about to do now. I'm about to go outside and spray paint. You know how you buy bottles from vases and stuff from Target or Walmart or wherever decor you shop at, place you shop at, and I'm not sponsored by neither one of those. But wherever you shop at, you see vases, and they can sometimes be a little pricey penny. And you might not want to go buy all that right now. But if you do, so be it. But if you don't, I'm here to help y'all out on a budget, how to decorate your space. Literally on a budget. So with this, I had a jar, and you can have any jar, just not this jar. This is just what I have. So whatever jar, bottle you have, you want to create a vase. And all I did was rinse this all out, washed it all out, but I didn't take off the paper because I wanted y'all to see exactly what bottle I will be using as a little decor vase. I'm going to be going outside and taking this off. It's very self-explanatory. Taking off this paper wrap. I'm going to use my little old handy dandy spray right here, Rust-Oleum. This is what I'll be using to spray this bottle with. And just see what that's going to look like. I've done other, oops, got water. I have done other bottles before and spray painted them. So I'm going to try this one out and see. Should I take this part off? If I can't get this off, which I'm sure I probably could. Yeah, I could. You can either wrap this with burlap or whatever. So I'm gonna go outside and do that. I painted some shelving for my niece's space that I'm gonna go repaint them because I didn't do no sanding on that. I'm just gonna paint these shelves. There was an old dresser that I had, and I'm gonna be out there spray painting that for her bathroom so we can put shelving in that. So I know I'm probably all over the place. I know I am. I'm gonna show y'all a video of my dresser that I found, y'all. It is gorgeous. I like a lot of things painted black. I just do. That's just one of my things, my go-to colors. And so I did make this dresser over, and I will have a video. Go check that out. Put it in some of my treasure finding moments when I'm out there driving around looking for nice pieces to revamp, sell, whatever. I do it all. I'll probably start adding in some of those videos. So that's enough said. Why do I feel like I'm out of breath? Because I kind of didn't know what I was coming on here to say, but I did just want to say thank y'all. That's what I really came on here to say, was thank y'all. I've been MIA just to make this video, let y'all know that your girl is still here. The channel is called Blessed Creations for a reason. I feel blessed in all the things that God has allowed me to go out and find and remake over and create. And it's from, the gift of God, and I just love that. And I do want to share that with y'all, how I do these things. But anyways, that's enough decorating ranting on. Just want to tell y'all, be blessed. Your girl is here. Much love to each and every one of y'all. Go out there and be creative. Enjoy your life. Keep Jesus in it at all times. And let him lead your way. Peace out. Love and blessing. Nothing but